Well, hello, I'm back. In this video, we're going to talk about my fasting tea. Okay, this is an FAQ. First thing you need to know, there's two different kinds, okay? They're both the same formula, okay, but one is sweetened and one is not. This is sweetened with stevia. There's no actual sugar. Both of them taste really good, but it really depends on if you like something a little bit sweeter or you don't. And we recently put the material, the actual herbs, in little bags to make it very convenient, okay? And these can be reused a few times, so it'll last you a little bit longer. But what I want to cover is the ingredients of this tea and what it can do. The main purpose of this tea is just to help you go longer, to make it more comfortable when you're doing fasting, and especially when you're doing prolonged fasting. So let's just start with the ingredients. It has organic ginger. Ginger is really good for any type of digestive stress. It's good for blood sugars. It's good as an anti-inflammatory, and it has many, many other benefits. But the main reason I put ginger in the formula is for its blood sugar effects. Cinnamon, another very powerful ingredient to help support healthy blood sugars. Then we have another ingredient called Garcinia cambogia. Now, you probably have heard about that from the Dr. Oz show or some supplement out there that they're using to help you lose weight. We're not specifically using it or making any claims it's going to help you lose weight, but it does have an effect on blood sugars, which indirectly can help you lose weight because it's going to decrease appetite, help with cravings, and ultimately help you go longer without eating. Now, it has another ingredient called hydroxycitrate, which I recommend in other videos to help break up kidney stones. Okay, so there's some great data on that, especially with those people that are prone for kidney stones. And when you're doing fasting, sometimes your uric acid goes up, and that potentially could lead to a uric acid stone. And Garcinia is also good for your mood and your cognitive function. Then we have red panax ginseng. Now, ginseng is normally used for mental performance and mental energy, but it can also help support healthy blood sugars, which then can relate to a lot of other effects with your lipids, with inflammation, etc., etc. But one of the key ingredients in this tea, and probably the more important one, is rooibos, okay? Rooibos is a very special herb, and it's only grown in the western province of South Africa. It's a shrub. They call it the red bush. Now, what's unique about this herb is it has this very specific flavonoid. Now, a flavonoid is a phytonutrient. There's over 9,000 known flavonoids, okay? And rooibos has this very specific flavonoid called aspalathin. There's no other herb or plant in the world that has this very specific phytonutrient. And there's some really amazing research on what this can do for a person's blood sugars. So it helps support healthy blood sugars, which then, of course, are going to help your appetite. It's going to help your cravings and allow you to go longer without eating. It will also help decrease nervous tension, improve digestive stress and cramping, and it has some anti-inflammatory effects too, probably because what it does for your blood sugars. Now, this tea has no caffeine, so it's not going to keep you up. It also has no oxalates, so you don't have to worry about that. Sometimes tea will increase oxalates, and if you're prone to kidney stones, that will be a problem. So each bag has 28 servings, and you can use each bag twice. So in summary, the main thing you need to know about this tea is it can help you support healthy blood sugars to allow you to go longer, to have more benefits with fasting, and especially when you do periodic prolonged fasting. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And if you wanted to check it out, I put the links down below. Hey guys, real quick, I have a new healthy keto eating plan for you. Just go to drberg.com. It's right on the front page. I put a link down below. Download it. It's free. Check it out.